Hi, Kathy here from Kathy's Cute Creations. Yesterday I got my Creative Notions box and I wanted to show you what was in it. So let's get started on that. Let me open it up. It came in this cute little pink package, which I think is adorable. I don't know where she gets her bags, but I wouldn't mind getting some of these. All right. And it all comes in a bag like this, which I think is cute. I love these little bags. All right, so there's a little bag in a bag. So it has a piece of candy in it. Let's see, Lindor. And it has our little pin, which is a pin cushion. And then we have a pin cushion, and this looks just like my very first pin cushion, believe it or not. When I got my first pin cushion, it looks just like that. I stopped the camera, went in the other room to find my pin cushion that I first got. It's a little bit bigger, but this is exactly it. So I put the little thing up here and put a little face and everything on it. But this is my very first one that I ever got. And I still got it. I gave it to my granddaughter to put her pins and everything in. But these are all the pins from a long time ago that I used to use. They're sort of a dullish, they're not like shiny like the new ones. Like this is a new one here. See how shiny the new one is? And these are not shiny. Let's see if they're even the same size. Nope. Look how little that pin is compared to, let me get the other one. That's the difference in the size. That is unbelievable. And here's the heads on them. Look at that. Isn't that neat? So they haven't really changed that much. This is kind of a really, like when you first get them. This one is a softer. The inside is softer. This new one here. And this one is really, really hard. It's like hard and firm. So I don't know the difference of what they put in them. But the little, I call it the sharpening, the little strawberry that sharpens. You can even hear this when it goes in, the crunch that it makes. It's like walking on rocks. But I thought that is neat. That little pin cushion. Oh my gosh. All right, moving right along. So we got a card. It says, win a basket of quilting supplies. Check your ticket to see if you are the winner. The winner ticket number will be posted on the website. And her website, in case you'd like to know, so you can go ahead and shop on there, because this fabric is offered on her website for everybody. And it is www.creativenotions, with an S, quiltshop.com. It says, post something you've made from one of your boxes on Instagram or Facebook and tag Creative Notions Quilt Shop and win a Fat Quarter bundle. And then they also have their telephone number. And it says, this bag box includes 8 beautiful metallic fat quarters from a new fabric line called Cherish by Kansas Studio. Alrighty. And then you get your ticket in a little thing. It says, see if you are a winner. Check your ticket number. So she has a little bitty bag. And our ticket is inside of there. Just your regular ticket. Just your regular ticket there. That's neat. I tell you, this lady's quite creative with the things she comes up with. And then this is refer a friend and earn a free month's subscription box. So if y'all wanna, anybody wants to do that, mention my name. She knows who I am. And then let's get this unwrapped. It came wrapped like this, because I don't want to cut it. So let's, oh yeah, it's. And this here, whoops, this is like, which I save all these things right here. But if you look at that, it's like the netting. That's neat to put on stuff as an embellishment. You know, you can get your, I think your oranges and things like that. You can make little bags and everything out of this stuff. I mean, that's what this stuff is. Just like that there. Same thing. All right, here is a It says, love you from my head, tomatoes, to my toes. Look at that. Little bookmark. Isn't that adorable? Look at that. A little heart. I'm amazed at all the things that she puts in a box. And here is, now this is by Art Bin, Slimline Magnetic Box. So the picture shows you where you can put your, which I think is pretty neat. I never thought about that. You can put the heads off of your X-Acto knife. Look at that. Hopefully it's focusing in. And I do have an X-Acto knife. I just keep it in a bag. But that is pretty neat. You just pop it open. And the magnet has the board on one side to protect it, because otherwise you wouldn't be able to pull that off. Okay, let's try the fabric here. Let's take a look at it. Oh my gosh, this fabric is gorgeous. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Oh my goodness, look at this one here. Pink X's and O's, kisses and hugs. And here's a really nice gold, and it looks like it's white with hearts. Isn't that pretty? And then we have a dark pink with some writing on it. I've not seen any of this fabric anywhere. And this is cute. It's gold hearts, and then every now and then there's a pink one in there with a little gold over the top of it. That's nice. Oh, and here comes a dark pink. This is really, really pretty. Look at that. I'm glad the colors are showing up in this light. And then here is a lighter with some gold and stripes. And then the last one is a dark with the gold hearts all over it. And of course I'm going to lay all this out so y'all can see it. And I told my granddaughter that I would show her Christmas gift to me. So she got me these butterflies, and what it is, it's one half on that ear and the other half on this ear that makes a butterfly, which I thought was kind of cute. But I told her I would tell you all about it. So let me get this all laid out for you. Oh, and one other thing. If you notice, I have no sewing machine in front of me. I'm sitting where my sewing machine's at. I have to take it to the shop. It has to be worked on. It's got some issues. So, after I went ahead and I did the next video, so the video is up. It doesn't take the sewing machine to lay it out on the table to sandwich the quilt. But if I don't have it back, he said that the turnaround was normally about a week. If I don't have it back, then we're going to work on some handwork. And thank you, Vicki, for everything you do when you put these boxes together. They're wonderful. Here's everything that was in the box. Hopefully that glare from that light is not too much on there. I just think that pin is adorable. All the fabrics, all of it. Oh my gosh. I got to come up with a neat idea. Thanks again, everybody, for watching. I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you'd like. And I will put her website down below for you so you can go check out some of the goodies she's got on it. Take care. Bye-bye.